Watermelon bar or $10?
Watermelon bar.
This is like 10 watermelon bars.
My sugar for me.
Watermelon bar or your iPad?
iPad.
So I can eat the watermelon bar? iPad or robot vacuum?
Robot vacuum.
What are you gonna do with the robot vacuum?
I'm gonna clean.
Clean what?
Clean the floor.
Robot vacuum or unicorn?
Unicorn.
What do you need a unicorn for?
To floor.
Like this? Unicorn or popsicles?
Popsicles.
And how are you gonna fly?
Walking human in.
You're gonna walk with your human legs? Enjoy your popsicle while I fly away. Subscribe!